the sidebar that opens, you will see that we have the option of users. Let's select this and see what we can do under users. It's important to understand that when we refer to users here, we are talking about visitors to your site, not actually team members that you have in the workspace. This is people that can sign up from your website and have a certain role, certain ability and rights when they are accessing your website. This pairs very well with membership blocks. The first thing we need to do is to create roles. Roles is the power that this person will have when they sign into your website. Select roles, and then at the bottom, click on Add New Role. We'll give it a name. In this case, we'll call it just a subscriber, and select Add Role. If you need to change the label at any time, simply come back here to Edit and change it out. Click on Update Role, or if you need to delete it, select the delete. You can add as many roles here. And how this works is that you are creating a label, and then when you work with membership blocks, you can assign which of these labels have access to which blocks. Now that we have this role created, we can go to all users. Again, we don't have users here. What you will do is you will set up a login registration/login form on your website where people can sign up. And as they do, their information will appear over here. You can also add them manually here. Let's do that to have an example. Click on Add New User, and then we give the user a name. And now we have to assign a role. Click on the plus, and you will see we only have the subscriber role. If we want to create a new role, we can simply go ahead here and type it in and add it from here. I'm going to leave it on subscriber, and then you can add a phone number here. Click on Add User. If we select again all users, you will see that May Vanessa appears here, and you can make any edits here if you need to. As more people sign up onto your website, it will populate over here.